Hey, what's up guys? Tobin here, 5M Family Farm and Outdoors channel. Today we're gonna go do some creek fishing. Got the truck loaded up. Mom's in the house making lunches for everybody. All the kids are getting dressed. We gotta run by Walmart and get a few other supplies before we go, and then we're gonna head up there. Been hearing reports that their crappie are starting to move up shallow water. Even seen a few pictures on Facebook, so we're gonna go give it a try. You'll come with us. Alright guys, we're gonna go and get some minnows real quick.
I might be videoing, and also we gotta get peach rings. My sister was like, oh, get the right peach rings, make sure you get the apple rings and peach rings. I'm like, I know, but and she's like, shut up and stuff.
So you guys, if y'all have ever bought minnows before, you know there's always that, some people will literally count out one minnow at a time to get you the right number. Some people will just dump them in there and guess. Sometimes you get way more, sometimes you feel like you get less, but Easton here is my secret weapon. Everybody loves him, so I always have him get the minnows. It helps getting more. Alright guys, I want to show y'all how Easton is my secret weapon. That right there, that little cute little face is a minnow getting machine. He's a secret weapon. We asked how many. Tell him how many dozen we asked for. 3 dozen. That'd be 36 minnows, right?
36.
Let's see how many are in there. That, to me, looks like a whole bunch more than 36.
So how we got 500 subscribers is this person right here, me. Also because I help make all the videos. A lot of the filming behind is mostly me. Okay.
Guys, y'all leave in the comments and let us know how many minnows y'all think that is. I think Easton hauled them in for us. We got way more than 36. Like for real, we just got here, didn't even get, just got my hook in the water, and this happened. Mom caught a big old barn door crappie.
Will they pull it in the water?
You're gonna have to get the hook out. It's kind of like,
yeah. as I was getting Mom's fish on the stringer, Reed caught one. Now Mom's got that one. Another good 12-inch crappie. And we hadn't even been here but 3 minutes. Guys, I guess we've been here probably 15 minutes or so. That's fish number 3 I caught. So Mom, Reed, and me are on the board. Man, there's something about crappie, they smell different than other fish. I love it. Hopefully we can get a stringer full.
So I was over there. There was a ton of shad jumping, and my dad just caught a pretty big bass. And I was over there with my bait caster with a small lure, and it took it really hard, and I got this.
Pretty little bass.
It's my first fish on a bait caster.
He's pretty. He's got something right there, like he's maybe been bit by something or something. So cool.
Let's let him go.
All right, tell me what happened.
So I was standing over there. I was really angry because I didn't catch anything. And then a little thing yanked. I'm like, yes, it's a catfish. And then I yanked it back and it didn't come. And then again, I felt another thing. And then I rolled it in, yanked, and then it came up on shore. And I yelled. And this is what I call a little bass.
Yep.
It's nice enough to keep. We can keep it.
I don't know. We're going to measure it. But so we'll see.
Let's see. Hopefully, I can keep it.
Yeah, removing the hook like a pro.
Because I am one. His name is Gilbert.
There's a little black bass up in here.
Can I keep it?
Nope, it's too little.
They like to be whispered.
You're the fish whisperer.
How are you doing?
Say,
look how happy he is.
Say, send your grandpa. Sarah, what are you doing over there? Well guys, as y'all can see, we got a nice little mess of fillets right there. The crappie spawn here in North Texas is just starting to take off. So we should have good crappie fishing in shallow water off the bank for the next probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks before they move back out after they spawn. We're going to try our best between baseball and everything else we got going on to get out there and fish as much as we can and catch some more. So we're gonna do. I think I'm gonna do with these fillets. We're gonna try to do a video on. We're gonna do a versus video, and we're gonna fry some, and then we're gonna blacken some on our new Blackstone griddle, and see what everybody likes better. I've never tried blacken crappie. We've always been a die-hard frying family. So y'all leave in the comments. Let us know how y'all cook your crappie. Like to hear. And y'all do us a favor and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see y'all again soon.